Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Vivosmart 4 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this smartband. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our smartband, and you can do it by tapping on it. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can press and hold on the screen to open the quick menu. And here, as you can see, we have the battery level and also the Do Not Disturb mode icon at the top. And to enable the Do Not Disturb mode, simply tap on this icon, then tap on the switch. The status should change to on, and once you swipe or rather press the touch sensitive button right here to go back, the Do Not Disturb mode will be enabled. And you can confirm it by going back to watch face, and on the watch face you will see that the Do Not Disturb mode icon appeared on the screen. And to disable it, you can press and hold on the home screen, tap on the Do Not Disturb mode icon, tap on the switch, it will turn to off, and then you can go back to watch face and see that the icon is gone. You can also turn on and off the Do Not Disturb mode through the settings. So you can press and hold the touch sensitive button to open the menu, then scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, tap on it, and once you enter the settings, you will see the Do Not Disturb mode icon, tap on it, and again, to enable the mode, switch to on, and to disable it, switch to off. And once you're done, press the touch sensitive button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch, or rather smartband. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.